guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're going to show you how to do this really cool braided ponytail style today, and stay right to the very end because I'm going to show you a really cool trick to make your ponytail nice and perky. I've not done any back combing, I haven't added anything to the hair, there's no extra hair in here, this is all our own hair. It's a really cool trick, so stay till the end and then you can see how we make that ponytail really perky. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so to begin with, I've wet the hair, I've done a side parting, and from the end of that side parting, I've done a diagonal part towards her ear. Now I'm going to do a Dutch braid where you take 3 pieces of hair, you take the left side under the middle, the right side under the middle, and you continue doing that all the way down the braid. You keep adding more hair every time you take the side piece under the centre section. If you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, I've got a step-by-step tutorial for how to do the perfect Dutch braid. I'll put a link in the description below, and also if you click that little information dot on the top right hand corner, you can get a link to that video, because you'll need to know how to do the Dutch braid before you can move on to this one here. But basically it's just a 3-strand braid, but every time you take a piece you add a piece from the side. Okay, now I've come to the end, I'm going to start braiding in the direction I want the hair to go. So I'm just turning her around because I want that braid to kind of bend around her head. I don't want to keep braiding out towards her face, otherwise you'll end up with sort of lumps and bumps. So you want to braid it in the direction you want it to go in. So I'm just going to braid that all the way to the end and just finish it off with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to take that side piece of hair and part it in a diagonal piece and do another Dutch braid. I'm going to take that Dutch braid all the way down till it meets the start of that first braid that I did. So as I'm braiding down, I'm going to take just from there, that's where my last stitch is going to go from, just so it looks a lot neater from the top. And I'm going to make sure that the other side is in the same place so they are parallel with one another. I'm just putting a pin on the end, doing another Dutch braid on this piece, and don't forget I've wet the hair, so I find it easy to pick up the hair when it's wet. So I'm just doing more Dutch braids down this side, all the way down, putting the hair into a high ponytail now, adding those braids, tying it off with a bobble. Then I'm going to take a topsy tail. I'm going to wrap a piece of hair around the bobble and then pull it back through that topsy tail to hide that bobble. And now here comes the really cool trick. So what I'm going to use as bobby pins, I'm going to flip the hair over and I'm going to slide 3 bobby pins down that bobble. And that just helps to keep that ponytail up and perky. It's brilliant and it's really, really comfortable too.
So thanks for watching that tutorial, guys. We hope you really like it and we hope you like the trick at the end. So by doing those 3 pins at the end, it just helps to keep the ponytail upright. It's a bit more perky and it just keeps it just looks a bit cooler. It doesn't drop so much. Take care, stay safe, bye.
Bye.